Hi everyone, so this is another video looking at our Glencontroller, and in this short video we're going to be talking about presets and how they're used within Glencontroller. Here I'll be demonstrating using a Paradiso, but the preset function on Glencontroller is identical for all devices that Glencontroller communicates with. Now, presets are very useful if you're doing events regularly and you want the same functionality in the device. For example, you want the same labels or the same button functions to be recalled when you're doing a particular event. Now, the first thing to understand about presets is that initially presets are saved locally on your machine or PC that is running Glencontroller. They're not saved in the Paradiso or the dark units themselves. To access the presets controls, you use this page icon here, which brings up a list of presets that have been previously made and saved on your machine. Now, to recall one of these presets, I'll demonstrate by recalling preset 1. You click it to highlight it, come down to the bottom and then click this tick box. This should then give you the option of what you're importing on the preset. Generally, most people will import absolutely everything. However, you can decide what you want to import. You can keep some of your configurations if it's useful, and you may only want to import certain parts of the preset. However, here we're going to select all of these options, including these advanced options, and these will all be imported. Then you select OK. Now it will tell you that the presets have been applied, and you can check this quickly because at the bottom of commentator A settings there's a label here that's been changed to preset 1, which is the change that was made within preset 1. This is a very quick and clear indication that the preset has in fact been applied. To show you another example, you can go back and select preset 2, click on the tick box, import everything again, click OK, and immediately preset 2 will be shown here, so we know the preset has been applied. So this is how you can very easily import a preset that is already stored locally on the machine. If we want to save a preset, you can change the name in here. I'll call it preset 3 for ease. This is the only change we're making at this stage to this configuration in this Paradiso, but it's enough for saving a preset. Let's come across here, and at the top of the preset where it says new preset, you can add a name to it. So I can enter preset 3, then come back down to the bottom, hit the save icon, and there you go, preset 3 is saved. To prove that it really has saved, I'm going to come back and load preset 2. So you come down and hit the tick, then select all and hit OK. Then I'll come back. Again, just to prove preset 2 has saved correctly, we can highlight it, click the tick button, select all, hit OK, and then preset 3 has been reloaded. So that's how you can very easily save presets locally. Another thing that it's very likely you may want to do is to save your presets somewhere that's meaningful to you, or even swap presets between devices or save them on your network for backup and redundancy purposes. Now, the way that you do this is by coming back to the main presets menu, where you have this settings icon. If you go back into settings icon, you have an import and an export option. As we've just renamed preset 3, if you highlight it, or if you highlight any of the other presets, it now gives us the option of exporting. So you hit the export button, and on your computer up comes the standard Windows box, and it will by default try to save it in your documents folder. So I've previously exported a unit on this device, so Windows will remember where it was. In this case it was in my documents in a folder called Paradiso presets. So you can give this preset a logical name. I'm just going to call it preset 3, hit save, and now preset 3 has been saved in an accessible location on my PC. Alternatively, if you want to import a pre-saved preset, you can use this import button. Again, you'll navigate on your network where you've saved the preset. All the presets that I've had on my PC already exist on the controller. So if I open up one of these, it tells me that it already exists with the same name. So it can tell it will overwrite the existing file. But in this case, this is fine. Then you just simply click load, and the preset has now been imported onto the PC. So it's all very simple. You just need to use this preset manager and the settings icon to import or export presets that have been saved locally. So that's it for this video, but thanks for watching. If you do have any more questions, be sure to contact us on one of these links. Bye!